Hi guys, and welcome to this third and final part of this long video. For first, EK has replied to me, and after some emails and photos of the problem, they sent to me a new top and this famous SKU for the CPU block and also for the GPU block. Unfortunately, they came too late, so I have just reboot the system, but on the next fluid change that I will have to do, I will change them. So thank you EK, and perfect support. Keep like this, guys. And for you that are watching on the camera, please subscribe on this channel for future more and for support me. Thank you so much. And also click on the ring bell for notifications about the next video. So let's start with this final part.
I remember the feel of the air touch my skin. Am I real? 'Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty. Have I got nothing left to give? Am I living? 'Cause I only felt alive with him. I'm driving in the night, the hood down. It's when I feel alive, when no one's around. The darkness deep inside comes to light now. But it's alright, it's alright. I can break no heart if I got none. I won't break apart if I stay on the run. But sometimes in the night I miss the sun. Why did darkness come? I felt my body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Why did darkness come? Why did darkness come? My body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did
Beep. Okay. Hi guys again. So the work is done, everything is fine, no leaks, no everything else, everything bad. It's all good for now. This is a recap of everything. I have used a view that was expired and I filtered in with this because on the bottom of the bottles there was a lot of debris, of dirt, of deposit, and I filtered it, and lots of the gunk stay here. So I hope this time it will go better, because the first time with the purple one it will a terrible experience for me. So by the way, I know this is bad, this is only for visual, and this is not for a final system, this is not for your home system, because it will gunk up, it will delete everything, and you have to dismount everything, clean all. And the last time I have redo all the tubes because I haven't nothing to clean inside. But it was better because the first time the tubing is not very good, very well. So don't use Vue, don't use the Primochill True Opaque, because in my case it was a terrible idea. Okay, they are looking good, Vue is really nice to see, to looking, but it's not, as I said before, for final PC, for your final system, for a system that you want to boot up for all the hours that you want, for days, and forgot about to clean it, by the way, because okay, 1 year and a half you have to clean or fill up your system, but with you have like 3 months. It's terrible. It's the more time that you spend cleaning everything than enjoying your system. So really thumbs down for the Vue. I have used it because I have it. I don't want to waste this money, okay? And also because in a few months, I think 2 or 3 months, probably Ryzen 3 will be released, and I finally update the CPU of my system to Ryzen 3. So I have to change everything. I will change it, and okay, let's use the Vue. So I have to dismount everything in the same way, at least I will use it. But after I change and update the PC, I will for sure use this, my friends, the Mayhem's X1 Clear, and stop, because with RGB lighting and all the stuff, I think that the clear is perfect, transparent, fluid, and it gain all the colors from the lights, and your system will be go perfect, I hope. So I hope to forget about it for at least 1 year. Okay, so guys, before blaming on everything else, you know that this kind of fluids are not for housing PC, are for show, are for CAS, are for fair, but not for your PC. So don't buy it. Otherwise you can buy it, but you know that you have to clean everything, like also 1 week later, because there are lots of things that happen inside here. Various type of metals. You have brass, you have nickel, you have copper, you have the materials of the fittings. The fittings are, in this case, the barrels are painted inside, but I have seen that there is angles that are not painted, so probably a mixture of other materials, and materials make galvanic corrosion, you know. So don't mix the fuel and everything else, because you have to change everything also 1 week later, 2 months, 3 months if you have luck, but you have to change it. There's no way that it will run for 6 months, as they say. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, by the way, and see you next time. And subscribe, check the Instagram and Facebook page, and follow me. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And if you have any question, write down in the comment. I will always reply to you, and I will enjoy to reply you and to read something, because it's good for me to have some comments on what I'm doing, or at least I'm trying to do. Yeah, sorry for my bad English. Okay, see you guys. Bye. And I will do a video, a porn video of this build the next time that the time outside will be better, because the video that I make when I filling the loop was very dark and very bad, and I don't have a good camera. I have my phone that is a Pixel 2, good camera, but not as I want to see. So see you guys next time. Bye.